Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking. But if you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Lillian. So guys, we rushed the twins back to the hospital, and this is due to the fact that I noticed that their eyes were yellowish. So after 2 days we got to the house. We got home. We came home from the hospital. So I became worried, and coupled with the fact that they are belly button, the umbilical cord was not looking nice. I was afraid, especially of one of the babies. So I decided we'll go to the hospital so they can take a look. On getting there, the doctor said they have to admit the babies. So I can never say no about something like that. Of course, they admitted them. They said they have joined this, and the umbilical cord is not a problem. Actually, as we were there, it fell off. And then we're in the hospital, it fell off during the physiotherapy for the jaundice. So I have to leave my sister here at the hospital and head back to the house. But first, I'm going to the mall because I've not been here for some time. Guys, to be honest with you, the healthcare system in Ghana is one of the best healthcare system in the world. They are doing amazing. It is not just about me. It is about the fact that on getting to the hospital, I could see testimonies from other people, other patients. So, stay watching because all of that you will see in this video. And please don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Stay watching.
I had wanted to let this topic slide because I didn't want anyone to think I was talking about them. But guys, my conscience is judging me if I don't talk about it. Oh God, be careful of friends. It's been a while I came to the mall, guys. Ever since the arrival of the twins, my life has, I've gone through a lot. I mean, when I say head, not that hell of, I've been stressed. I don't have time for myself, both financially and physically. I've been exhausted. So the reason I came here today is just to buy bread and sugar. But let it be that I came back to the mall. That will help me feel better, maybe. So you're wondering what I'm holding. I discovered this a drink at a shop close to the hospital. So I got one. It's really nice. I bought some for my sister, and then I'm taking this home for the girls. Hold on. I think I'm gradually they get more rush. Like now vlogging in public. Okay, let's go to ShopRite and pick up some things I want to pick first.
Die Nächte sind einsam, der Himmel ist grau. Wer will schon allein sein? Dieses Gefühl kenn ich ganz genau.
First in history, guys. First in history. I spent a total of 36 cedi, 50 pesos. That is what I spent today. Is that not amazing? A whole me. Come on, this life can humble somebody. Seriously, I cannot remember the last time I came to this mall and not spend up to 200 or at least 150 cedis. But see your queen has been humbled. 36 cedi, 50 pesos. Look at it. Oh my God. Thank God, ShopRite decided to reduce the price on their bread. I don't know why. Instead of the regular 13 cedi 13 cedis 99 pesos, today they are selling their bread for 11 cedis 99 pesos. Isn't that wonderful? Let's just say 12 cedis. So yeah, I'm going back home. I hope that tomorrow they'll discharge the twins so that they can come back home, but at the same time I'm scared. I don't know how much they are going to be me.
So guys, Antonia cooked. Antonia cooked. It looks really beautiful. Come, let me show you guys. Ooh, my God. Now, wow. I asked Antonia to make concussion rice. Just cook whatever with crayfish. My pikin. My pikin is not big. Hiya, baby. Yeah. So nice. God, though. Now you and your younger ones can survive if I'm not at home. Good. When we say let's go bring the twins back home. Hey guys, welcome back to the following day. So right now I'm heading to the hospital. This morning I called my sister and then I asked if they are going to I told her to ask the doctor if they will be discharging the twins today. After some time she called me back that the doctor said they will be discharging them today. So I was just trying to finish up with work at home, post video that I want to post for today, do all the work for the video. But now that I'm done, I'm going straight to the hospital. In here is some diapers and my sister's food. So I'm going to go there and wait for them to give us the bill so that I can pay, then we'll come back home. Yeah, so how you doing? Today I'm not wearing hair. Look at me.
С тобой мне так легко. Забудем обо всем. Нам хочется молчать. Намокли под дождем. Это все для тебя, лишь тебя. Начинаем новый день. Мы с тобой заодно, как в кино, превращаем свободу в тень. Это все для тебя, лишь тебя. Начинаем новый день. Мы с
She's not okay.
тобой заодно, как в кино.
She's not okay. That's why she gives Liberian part name here. Why did you raise the baby like that now?
Меня всегда. Нам хочется бежать, а за окном туман.
So, welcome back home. The twins are back home. How are you? I should give you. Baby. So, the boys are home. The boys are home. Hey, wait. Okay, but they didn't tell me they sell now. Wendy, what do you plan to do? Baby? Just woke up from sleep. Welcome back home, my guy.
No.
So you do eye like that? Hey, so guys,
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are still doing this therapy here, the early morning sun therapy that we were told to do at the hospital for the twins. I tried to do this before I finally decided I would take them to the hospital, but I didn't have the mind. See, when it comes to this join this thing, I did not like want to take risk because I heard that jaundice can lead to disability in children and all that. And you see that word, I fear it's more than death. Currently being a mom to a physically challenged child, I hate to take risk. So that was why we went. That was why we went to the hospital. After doing this for days, it didn't work. I said, okay, I told my sister, let's take them to the hospital. Finally, we got there. They admitted them. Now that we are back home, we are doing this early morning sun therapy for them. You know, I'm just keeping him under the sun. Because his eyes are closed, there would have been something here to cover. We're going to sit here and then after some time, we're going to go back in. They did a good job at the hospital. Ghana healthcare is really, really good. Me, when I say something is good, it's good. Healthcare system in Ghana is something else. The intriguing part is when they are giving you the discharge bill. Oh my God. So my twins here, they have their mother health insurance that covers them. So what you mostly pay for at the hospital here in Ghana, what we pay for mostly is drugs. I know spending most of the money on buying drugs. They'll tell me, go and pay for this, go and pay for the lab, go and pay for that. That was where we're spending money on. But when they discharge them, if I tell you how much the bill they gave us was, you'll be surprised. So they are doing well. They are doing really well. I can't expect perfection though from anyone, but good enough. They do a good job. Hospital is not my home. I don't stay there forever. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Stay with us. See the other baby. Do you want to see him? This is him and his mom, their mother. My sister, they were saying my sister, they call my sister my mom at the hospital. They hold me Grandma Lily. When my sister, the day she gave birth, some nurses were saying, tell your daughter to go and bring it. Because I went to the hospital alone that day. I didn't take Wendy or anybody. In fact, because I went to the hospital, they think my sister is older than me. My sister is actually, there are two people that follows me. Jesus, what am I saying? There are three other people that followed me before my sister. There's my brother, my only brother, my other sister, Antonia's mother, and there's another of my younger sister, usually, before she. So you can imagine how old the gap. So all of us, she's just like a baby. But they said she's my mom. Pregnancy will humble you. This life, we are good. We should go inside. We should go. Abby? Okay. So I'm going out to get some fruits so that I can make juice for my sister. I will see you guys in another. Stay tuned. I will see you guys next time. Wendy, this way. You can follow somebody this way, yeah? Anthony, I can't hear you. Wendy, say bye, guys. This way. Obviously. Why are you walking like that? Like Turkey.